it's Adia Monet and I'm back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Today I'm here with you guys to show you guys how I do this nice sleek low bun with a zigzag part. So if you want to know how I do my zigzag low bun, stay tuned and keep watching. Now let's get into the video. So I just took my braids out. As you can see, it's very crinkly, very defined. Had them in for a week, but I don't like how it looks, and like I'm not going anywhere, but I just don't want to wear my hair like this. What you're gonna need is a bottle of water, like a spray bottle, a sock bun. If you have a regular bun from the store, you can use that, but I just use a sock bun, some leave-in conditioner. I might not use this because my hair is already moisturized. A rat tail comb, obviously, so you can part your hair down the middle. A wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. Edge control. I also use this edge booster, but this edge booster is for just my edges. You're gonna need some Eco Styler gel, an edge brush. Don't think, you know what I forgot? And of course, you're gonna need a hard brush. I don't know how I forgot this. I'm just gonna start off by detangling my hair. I'm just gonna just spraying the freaking air, to be honest. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my hair because I don't want my hair to be too wet. Now it's wet. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in it. A little bit of leave-in and just put it in my hair. Now you're gonna take your wide tooth comb and just detangle your hair. Make sure you start from the bottom and work your way up. Because I sprayed it. This is what it's looking like. And yeah, now that it's all combed out, we're gonna take the rat tail comb and just part the hair. Since we're doing a zigzag, we're gonna start slanted, and I usually start slanting to the left side of my head. So you're gonna part your hair on a diagonal and just move it out the way. As you can see, I just parted this way. I usually like to make the first zigzag to go in the middle of my head. Then you're gonna make the second part going this way. And now you got like a little Pac-Man looking thing, and you just do that same thing until you get to the back. All right, see that? Now we have a zigzag part. Now I do have a lot of hair, so I try to do this in sections. We're gonna spray the top, and just brush it at first. You might want to comb it too. Making an ugly face. Next, you're gonna take your edge control and I got it. Yo, that was hard. And just put edge control, put put the edge control in each zigzag. Now you're going to take your brush and just brush it down. Then you're going to take your Eco Styler gel and go on top of it. Smooth it down. I'm going to take a little bit of edge booster because edge booster really keeps the hair down. Just put some of that on top of the hair. And swoop. We're gonna just do the same thing for this side, and I'll be back. Actually, y'all should see it on this side. Looks a mess right now. I just put a little more edge control on top to solidify it because it's too it seems like it's wet. After you do that, you're just gonna take your hard brush it all back. And I used to use my rat tail comb and just comb it like this so that it can get some of the bumps out. Okay, so it's supposed to be slick like that. Now take some edge booster and you put it on the edges, and just gonna take the edges. Make sure you push it back so that you can see your hairline and take down some of that hair. The same thing on the other side. Once that's all done, you're gonna take your brush and you're just gonna brush all the hair back to create your ponytail. Should just do a bump because I'm getting annoyed. You're gonna take your ponytail holder and wrap it around your hair. Now, it's in a puff, and I'm just gonna touch up on some of my edges. Now that it's all slicked and in a puff, I'm gonna take my sock bun and we're gonna put it around the ponytail. So just gonna show y'all how to do it. Put your hand inside the sock bun, take your ponytail and just slip it into the sock. Then you're gonna take your wide tooth comb and comb your hair around the bun. Then you will take your hard brush and just brush so that it can look sleek, just like the rest of your hair and not puffy. Like that. Next, take a hair tie and just put it over the bun. And if you could wrap it around twice, do that. And then tuck the rest of the hair into the bun. Sometimes I just add some extra hair ties to ensure that my hair is not being seen. Now it's nice and sleek. And I'm just gonna go back over my hair with the brush. Put some earrings on. Is that fire? I think that's kind of fire. I think it's fire and it adds a little pop of color. I think I'm gonna show y'all my fit, but that's my sleek low bun. I just like the donut bun because it gives it a sleeker look. And the last step is to tie your hair up. And then afterwards, I'm gonna show you my outfit. So now take a scarf and just tie it around your hair for about 10 minutes so that it can lay nicely. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, and I'm back with the finished product. This is the low bun hairstyle. Nice and sleek, nice and smooth, nice and cute. So I just have on, don't mind this, I just got home from school because you know this whole coronavirus thing. But I have on this 90s girl group inspired t-shirt with this half sweater and these jeans, and the shoes I have on are these Converses and they have little pearls on them. Ooh, that's so fire. But yeah, I think they go with these earrings because they have a lot of different colors in them, and like the pearls, they have little hints of green, if you can see them, a lot of purple. So that's all for the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below, and thanks for watching.